Good morning, students. Welcome to video lecture on Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning with Python. Subject code U18EC502A. Topic Data types in Python, Numeric, String, and List. Data types in Python include numeric or numbers, string, list, dictionary, tuple, and set. Standard data types of Python. Numbers. The number data type is used to store numeric values. String. The string data type is used to store the sequence of characters and it is immutable. Once declared, the values of string cannot be changed. List. List data type is used to store the collection of data types of elements and it is mutable. Once declared, we can change the elements of list. Dictionary is used to store a collection of different data types based on key and value. Dictionary is mutable. Tuple. Tuple data type is used to store collection of different data types of elements and it is immutable. Once declared, the values of tuple cannot be changed. The major difference between list and tuple is list are mutable, tuple are immutable. Set. Set data type is used to store different data types of elements. It is mutable and stores unique elements. Sample program to demonstrate numeric value, integer, float, and complex. We can get the type of data type based on type command. Python program to access values of the variable through keyboard, that is based on input function input. Enter the value. You can mention either it is integer or float or complex that can be assigned to a variable. This is the syntax. You can access integer, float, or complex through keyboard. Float, integer. You can perform operations on float and integer. It is a floating point number, it is integer. A double star B means it is A power B. It is simple multiplication A into B. Simple print commands to print results. Operation on complex numbers. You can perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And finally, you can print the values based on simple print commands. Typecasting. You can convert a data type into float, data type into integer, a particular data type into complex. You can print the values and you will get the type of variable it is. Output of the given program. Simple observations. Python is interactive. There is no main function. Variables are not declared. Data type is always based on value assignment. Integer, float, and string are fundamental data types. To get the type of object, you can use type command. String. String data type is used to store the sequence of characters. In Python, individual characters of a string can be accessed with the help of indexing. You can observe for a particular string, the indexing from left to right starts with 0. From right to left, the indexing starts from -1. Sample program on string. A string can be declared with the help of a single quotation, double quotation, or triple quotation. Something in the quotation means it is a string. And with the help of simple print commands or with the help of variable, you can print the values of string. Accessing string. Accessing string with the help of index, simple index, positive index or negative index, or you can access the string with the help of this type of syntax, that is here name of 0 colon 3 means it is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Here after execution of this particular command, you will get the output as 0 2 3 means it will access the strings from 0 to 2, that is S or I. Will get S or I, 3 letters, means up to n minus 1th position you can access the string. Now another mode of accessing string, here something is not mentioned and here it is mentioned 5 means from the starting position to n minus 1th position of index you can access the elements of string. Here one more type of syntax, it is 2 colon the value of end index is not mentioned means it is from index 2 to all or end. You can access all the characters associated with the string from index 2 to end. Sample program based on negative index. Here the starting point is not mentioned, so from starting point to -2 index you can access all the elements. From -5 index to the remaining all the elements you can access, -5 to end. Accessing string with the help of syntax start, end and increment. You can access from starting index is 30, end index is starting index 3, end index 30 and with increment 1. Here starting index 3, end index 30 with increment 2 means here with the value of 2, what it means is you can access alternate elements. Strings are immutable. Once declared, we cannot change the value of string with the help of indexing. If we try to execute the program, we get some error. Here string object does not support item assignment because strings are immutable. Once declared, we cannot change the value of string. String concatenation with the help of plus symbol, you can concatenate strings. Some observations. Fundamental data types. Strings are immutable. String members are accessible with index, positive index, start with 0, negative index start with -1. Uh, Here start, stop, syntax. Another mode, stop, start, stop, and step. From all to stop, from starting to all. Plus symbol is used to concatenate two strings. The another data type is list. Python list are similar to arrays in C programming. A list in Python is ordered and used to store the sequence of various types of data. It is very flexible as the items in a list do not need to be of the same type. You can assign elements of list as either integer, float, or string, or complex, whatever it is, based on your requirement. The square bracket is used to declare list elements uh, with spacing with comma. The elements of the list can be accessed by index. The index is same as we used in string, that is from left to right starts with 0. From right to left, the index starts from -1. Lists are mutable. Once declared, we can change the value of list with the help of specifying the required index and the elements want to be replaced. List indexing and splitting. Indexing can be done as we did in the case of string. Elements of the list can be accessed by using the slice operator. Here, just now we discussed from left to right indexing, from right to left indexing. Creating a list. You can create a list with the help of some list name, equal symbol, square bracket. Uh, Within the square bracket, you can assign elements like integer, float, or strings. Now, just go through the programs of creating string. Here, you can access the string with the help of index. Just now we accessed string elements, that is from starting to n-1th location you can access the list elements. Create string with the help of type command will get the type of data type it is. Accessing string with the negative indexing, replacing value of a list at a specified location. Here the list is declared as the elements of the list are 10, 20, 30, 40. Some MLSP course. I want to include some 35. I want to replace uh, the value of 35 associated with this particular index. This can be done after execution of this program. Uh, the value associated with the index can be replaced with 35, new value. Creating elements of list. We can insert list element at the end with the help of append command. My list.append will include the list element at the end and replacing data of specified location. Just now we discussed you can replace here. This is the position of -1 index. This can be replaced with the assigning value associated with its index. Here course with index -1 can be replaced by 95. Same model program. With the help of insert command, you can insert list element at this particular location. That is here in between 50 and 60.9. A new element is inserted without replacement. And insert data type, data at the end using append command. Once again here, with the help of append command, the list element can be added at the end. You can reverse the elements of list with the help of my list. Here it is user defined list name, and with the help of a reverse function you can reverse the elements of list. You can calculate the minimum, maximum and length of the list with the help of min, max, len functions. List concatenation, we can concatenate two lists. Let us consider it is L1 list, it is L2 list. We can concatenate with the help of plus symbol. You can use list items in loop. Here we are defining list element variable name with list1. The elements are 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9 and sum equal to 0 for I in list1. After colon, this is the indented block and it is a simple print command. With the help of for loop, you can utilize list elements. Thank you. We will meet with the next lecture.